Hi, welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Today we're gonna make some chili chicken. This is the chicken we have here, the ingredients we have. The chicken, I cut it up into small pieces. It's chicken thighs. This is about 8 chicken thighs that I cut up into small chunks. Plus I debone it, and this is just the meat only. We have some onions, we have a bell pepper that I cut up into pieces, also some tomato paste. This is 3 chili pepper, 1 egg, and habanero pepper to make it a little more hot. Plus I'm going to use this ocean sauce. And I have my wok on the stove, ready to go. Okay, now I'm going to do the batter so I can make the paste. Break 1 egg in there. Kind of mix them up there. Make sure every little piece is turned so the egg can penetrate. So this adds up to about 3 pounds of meat. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it in the flour. It's a long process, it's about 45 minutes. Get the flour all around. Okay, so now I got all the meat battered with the flour and the egg. And I have my wok here, it's heating. It's on low heat for now because it's getting very hot. I'm gonna fry them up now. Just until they get a little brown. So I had it in the wok for 5 minutes. Get nice and brown here. Put it here with some napkins so you can drain the oil out. Or you can use any part of the chicken. Let's debone it. You can also use the chicken breast as well. So I have a whole bunch to do now. I'm going to do it again until it finishes. Maybe in another 15-20 minutes we should get going. Okay, so this is the ingredients I'm using here. We have 3 tablespoons of ocean sauce, plus 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of salt, and I get 1 of the whole bell pepper, and half of an onion chopped. We also have 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and a piece of ginger. I'm going to cut up the chili peppers, 3 of them. Now this is not so hot for us, so I'm going to use a piece of this one, the habanero pepper. This will make it really, really hot. This is the last batch I'm frying. As you can see, I fried a bunch and it's in here. Nice and golden brown. Just have about a couple minutes again, and then I will be ready to put it in the wok and cook everything together. It's time for some action. We have a little vodka and soda here mixed with watermelon, and now we're gonna mix the chili chicken. Put a little bit of oil here. It's olive oil. It's good enough. I'm going to let that heat up. Should take a couple minutes. First I'm going to throw the onions in. Put the chili pepper in. red bell peppers is going in. Worcestershire sauce is going in. Soy sauce. It's already starting to smell very good. Tomato paste. Salt. I just put 1 tablespoon for now and then I'll check it again and always put, and the ginger. Okay, I should have chicken in now. And the cornstarch is going in as well. A little bit extra water. Smells really good, and believe me, it will taste good. It's also called Hakka chili chicken. Hakka is a dish came from India. When the Chinese went to build a railway in India, they took their spices, the Indian spices, and they mixed together and they make it Hakka. That's how we get Hakka. Okay, so that's it. That's Bobby's chili chicken. And take a taste, see if it's good. Perfect. So this is the finished product. Chili chicken with white rice. I'm gonna take a taste. Excellent. Try this recipe, it's good. Really, really good. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.